Are you look best food steamers? Food steamers are a staple in modern kitchens, enabling healthier cooking by preserving nutrients and flavors without the need for oils or fats. With options ranging from budget-friendly models to premium designs, choosing the right food steamer can be challenging. To help consumers make informed decisions, we tested and compared 5 popular models across a range of price points, features, and performance. Our methodology included assessing build quality, ease of use, cooking efficiency, capacity. Product 1. Bella 2-tier food steamer with dishwasher-safe lids. The Oventi FS62S is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at just $23.99. Despite its budget-friendly price, it offers a stainless steel base and stackable, dishwasher-safe baskets with a 5-quart capacity. Key features include a 60-minute timer, auto shutoff, and compact nesting storage. This lightweight model is ideal for small households or occasional use, providing basic functionality for steaming vegetables, fish, or dumplings. While the Oventi performs adequately for its price, the 400-watt power output limits its steaming speed compared to higher wattage models. The 5-quart capacity is sufficient for small meals, but may feel restrictive for larger families. User reviews highlight its simplicity and ease of cleaning, but some note that the plastic baskets feel less durable than higher-end options. For those seeking an entry-level steamer, the Oventi is a solid choice, though it lacks advanced features like digital controls or pre-programmed settings. Product number: Cuisinart STM1000 Digital Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. The Bella 2-tier food steamer, priced at $73.99, offers a mid-range option with a 7.4-quart capacity and stainless steel construction. This model features stackable baskets, a removable base for easy cleaning, and a clear water level indicator. The auto shutoff and boil-dry protection enhance safety, while the included steaming guide chart simplifies cooking various dishes. Its sleek design and versatile functionality make it suitable for everyday use. In testing, the Bella demonstrated efficient steaming with its 2-tier setup, allowing simultaneous cooking of multiple items without mixing flavors. The 60-minute timer ensures precise cooking, but the lack of digital controls may feel outdated to some users. The plastic baskets are durable but less heat-resistant compared to glass or stainless steel alternatives. Overall, the Bella strikes a balance between affordability and functionality, making it a reliable choice for medium-sized families. Product 3. Oventi 2-tier electric food steamer for cooking vegetables. The Cuisinart STM1000 is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $159.95. Its standout feature is the 5-liter glass cooking pot, which offers superior heat resistance and a clear view of the cooking process. With 1200 W power, 5 pre-programmed food settings, and an LCD control panel, this steamer is designed for convenience and precision. The stainless steel steaming tray and removable water tank further enhance usability. During testing, the Cuisinart excelled in performance, delivering quick and even steaming with its top-down steam system. The digital controls and pre-programmed settings simplify cooking, while the glass pot ensures durability and easy cleaning. However, its heavier weight and higher price may deter budget-conscious buyers. This model is ideal for those who prioritize advanced features and premium build quality for family-sized portions or frequent use. Product number: Secura Electric Food Steamer. The Secura Electric Food Steamer, priced at $128.99, offers an 8.5-quart capacity and 1200-watt power for fast heating. Its stainless steel construction and digital controls make it a versatile option for steaming vegetables, seafood, and grains. Features like delay start, keep warm, and boil dry protection add convenience, while the stackable baskets and glass lid enhance usability. Secura's performance impressed during testing, with steam generated in just 15 seconds. The large capacity and powerful heating element make it suitable for batch cooking and large meals. However, its bulkier design may require more storage space, and the digital controls can be complex for first-time users. Overall, the Secura is a great choice for those seeking advanced functionality and high capacity. Product 5. Electric Food Steamer for Cooking. The Cuisinart Electric Food Steamer, priced at $54.20, offers a generous 13.7 quart capacity with 3 BPA-free tiers for simultaneous cooking. Its 800-watt turbo steam function ensures quick cooking, while features like a 60-minute timer and anti-dry protection enhance safety. This model is ideal for batch cooking and preparing meals for larger families or gatherings. In testing, the Cuisinart delivered consistent results, with its large capacity accommodating multiple dishes at once. The side water inlet and clear water level indicator simplify refilling during cooking. However, the plastic construction may feel less durable than stainless steel alternatives, and the lack of a rice bowl is a minor drawback. Overall, the Cuisinart is a great value for those needing high capacity at a reasonable price.